G'day guys, Scotty here from The Hook and the Cook, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're heading out in the port hacking. I'm taking out my brother-in-law and his two kids, Harrison and Abby. Now Harrison's got a YouTube channel called H Does Stuff. So we're doing a little bit of a collaboration today and see if we can catch him his first fish. Should be a good day. Hey guys, how are we all doing?
Good.
Hey, looking forward to a good day?
Yeah.
Gonna catch you your first fish?
Yeah.
Hopefully you your first fish?
Yeah.
Have you caught anything?
I have, yeah.
You have. I hope so. All right guys, let's get going, eh?
Yep.
Okay guys, let me just show you the rig we're going to be using today. Alright, now we're going to be fishing for leather jackets. So I thought leather jackets would be a good one to start off with. Okay, nice easy fish, and a lot of people caught their first leather jacket as their first fish. I think your dad said to me the other night that was his first fish.
Yeah,
It was down at Como Wharf.
Down at Como Wharf. So let's see if we can find a few leather jackets. Now, the rig we're going to use for leather jackets is really simple. We're going to use a ball sinker. Alright, now we're sitting in 5 or 6 metres of water here. And a simple knot just to hold the ball sinker at the bottom. Alright? And the rig we're using is called a paternoster rig. And that rig is simply a sinker at the bottom. Alright, like so. So it sits on the sand. And then up about 600 mil, where my fingers are here, right, we're going to put a hook on. So we just tie a little dropper knot. Now guys, we've got the dropper knot on our channel if you want to learn how to tie the paternoster rig. So check out that clip. And there it is, a simple little dropper rig, all right? And then to that we put on a number 10 long shank hook. Because leather jackets have got a really small mouth. But they're one of the best fish in the sea to eat. We probably won't eat them today. We'll probably let all the wet fish go today because we don't need to eat them. All right, so that's it. Pretty simple, the paternoster rig. Now H is away. We think he's got a small snapper on. Could be a leather jacket. Yeah, no, looks like a small snapper.
Oh yeah.
Here he comes. Yeah. Oh no, it's a little trevally.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a baby trevally. Yeah.
Where's my one?
Excellent.
My one.
Okay. All right, so Harrison so far has got a little snapper and a trevally.
2 snappers.
2 little snappers.
Yep. So
Okay,
I've got
mate.
3.
Good one.
Yep.
We've got one on down the back here. Keep winding. Here he comes. It's a nice leather jacket.
He's mine, mate.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Beautiful leather jacket.
Nice.
Jacket.
Lift him up into the boat.
Good job, Dad.
There we go.
Our first leather jacket. Beautiful. Nice leather jacket on. Well done, H.
Thank you.
There he is. Lift him in, buddy.
Oh.
Yeah, he's a leather jacket. Beautiful. You can't go any further because you got him right at the top. Brink.
Oh, there he goes. He's gone back in the water.
Oh.
You had him anyway.
Righto, guys. I'm just about to put the lures out, okay? I'll go down the back and do that now. All right?
Right, I'm driving.
Pretty windy up here today in Southwest Arm. These are the lures we're using. Off he goes. So I'll just feed him out behind the boat. Back to here, the guys are driving for me. And we're now up in Southwest Arm. And sometimes in the winter months here you can get some good Tailor. H, how you going there?
Good.
Good?
What's that song about, Abs?
And we're on, we've got a Tailor on down the back. We just come past that point there and we got into him. So we just come out a bit. We'll get this other one out of the way. Scott's bringing that one in. Okay, pick your rod up now, Abs. What do you reckon, guys? Hey? Good size Tailor, I think. I've seen him jump a couple of times. Wind a little bit quicker for us.
Wow.
Okay, slow down a little bit. That's it. Okay, turn around this way a bit. Keep going, keep winding, keep the pressure on. And just take your time. Oh, there he is. Looks like it might be a salmon actually. Just take your time, slow down. Push the rod around that way. Around there slow. Just wait a second. Keep going, bring it around the way a bit more. Don't wind anymore. Yeah, that's good. Right, now wind a bit. Push your rod that way for us. Push your rod out. Okay, wind a bit. Push the other way, back towards. Keep going the other way, back towards H. That's good. Here he comes. I've got colour down there, so back towards me now.
Keep winding.
Yep, keep winding. Keep going. Keep going. Here he comes. Now lift your rod tip for us. Here he comes.
Oh, there he is.
Nice and easy.
Oh,
Now go again, wind again and lift. Wind,
oh.
wind.
Oh, there he is. Get him in the net now.
And there he is, he's in the net.
Oh, you. Wait, oh, that's a big one.
Hey, look at that
Oh,
one.
yeah, it's a big one.
Okay, beautiful Australian salmon. Well, there we go, guys. Your first day fishing.
Yeah.
Abs, beautiful salmon. Are you happy with that one?
Yeah.
Hey, what a lovely fish. Up in the southwest arm, Port Hacking. And these guys are up here all the time, the salmon. They come in both summer and winter. All right, let's get him back in the water, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so bring him over carefully.
Oh, I can't.
Jump up.
Come on, eh?
Come on, slide off the seat and we'll get him back in the water.
I can't. I'm going to drop him.
No, you'll be right. Head over there.
Oh.
And righto, we'll get him back in the water.
Can I drop him?
Head first. So spear him in head first. There he goes.
Is
Back
that
he
head
goes.
first? Did I drop him in properly?
Lovely. Well, guys, you had a good day on the water today?
Yep.
Hey, it was great, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Caught your first salmon. Big fish for your first fishing trip.
Yep.
And H got a little leather jacket, and hopefully he's going to get a salmon in a minute. Now, guys, tune in next week to another fantastic clip on The Hook and the Cook. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the link below. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and we'll see you on the water next week. Cheers.